Welcome everyone to What's Happening in Crypto, bringing you all of the latest from the crypto world and beyond. Facebook has been getting increasingly interested in blockchain. Twitter also, actually. We're going to be examining just what that might mean for the crypto sphere overall. Facebook has been on a hiring spree recently, gobbling up blockchain developers. What the heck is Facebook doing? That, I think, is the question that everybody wants to know. There's a lot of speculation going around, and there's even been some rumors of things like Facebook might buy COINBASE. Well, Facebook might buy COINBASE. They certainly have enough money to. It'll be a drop in the bucket for them to acquire a major crypto exchange like that. But I think that there's a much bigger picture here, and that is something like the Facebook dollar. Can you just imagine? Facebook has more than 1 billion users. If Facebook came out with their own cryptocurrency, called the Facebook dollar, let's call it, that would be huge. Imagine the ability to send money from one Facebook account to another Facebook account seamlessly, just based on the username. That would be a game changer in terms of crypto offerings, I suppose, but I'm not excited about this, and I can't imagine that many of you would be either. Facebook kinda sucks. And yeah, I know I continue to post my videos over there, and some of you might even see this video on Facebook. But this is not what we want for the future. We don't want to give more power to these unaccountable, centralized organizations like Facebook. We need decentralized, censorship-resistant money and all that fun stuff. Imagine you've got a bunch of Facebook dollars on your account, and then Facebook just decides, we're going to delete your account. Well, they can do that at any time, and that doesn't guarantee that you're going to have access to your Facebook dollars anymore. We've seen Facebook cutting people out based on their political leanings, for example. To see them cutting people out for a whole range of other reasons, I would not be surprised at all. This is censorship inherent money if Facebook does launch a Facebook dollar. Now look, I don't know, maybe they're going to launch the new Bitcoin. It'll be totally decentralized, totally permissionless, totally censorship resistant. But I have a strong suspicion that that is not what Facebook is going to do. Facebook, in fact, has proven the complete opposite over their tenure as being the world's biggest social media platform. They have been all about censorship. They have been all about control. All about monetizing everything for themselves. At least YouTube has a share of the ad revenue for creators. Facebook doesn't do any of that. They just keep it all for themselves. They keep your data, they keep the revenue from the ads, everything. The value of doing business on Facebook for most people, it's not very valuable at all. And it's nice if you're a cafe, you can have your Facebook page. It's a pretty easy way to get set up and have a presence on the internet. But Facebook launching their own cryptocurrency solutions, this is not the way of the future, without a doubt. And look, maybe it won't be the Facebook dollar, maybe that'll be some internal systems where they make it easier to monetize your data so that they can sell it off to third parties. Could be the case. I guess we're gonna have to wait and see, what Facebook actually comes out with. But the very real reality is that Facebook is getting big into blockchain, and we don't know exactly what they're doing yet with those blockchain implementations, but they're looking into it, and I think we can expect in the near future to see some interesting developments happening over at Facebook. One thing is for certain though, if a Facebook dollar did come out, it would be massive. It might even be bigger in market cap value than Bitcoin. Just imagine all those people transacting in Facebook dollars every day. Maybe you'll get a system where if you can send creators tips in Facebook dollars, or if your post gets a lot of likes, you might get some money back. Maybe that's where Facebook is going, but anyway, screw Facebook. Interestingly though, the other big social media platforms have also been getting more into crypto-related activities. Twitter's Square has overtaken Coinbase in terms of popularity on their iOS app. And that in of itself is quite telling, because remember, you can easily buy Bitcoin using the Square app. And even though Twitter has been, I don't know, kind of back and forth on, we like crypto, you can advertise crypto stuff, you can't advertise crypto stuff, and all this, and of course the Ethereum scam bots just ran rampant on their website for a very, very long time, this really brings into question, I think, the long-term relevancy of Coinbase. To see these big players that have so much money to be able to put into something like Square, that is really interesting, I suppose, in the long term. And I guess, hey, Square is just the way to send money very easily using an app, or to buy Bitcoin using an app, so it's certainly nothing like the evils of the Facebook dollar. But nevertheless, it does show that these big social media giants do see the potential for this market and are catering to it, or at least beginning to cater to it in different ways. Anyway, those are just my 2 Satoshis. I would love to know your thoughts on the Facebook dollar, should it ever happen. Would you be excited about the Facebook dollar? Do you think it will be a big thing? Let me know about it down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up. If you're new around here, subscribe to the channel. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. And if you want to know when I drop a new video, hit that notification bell down below. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.